Hello, hello. This is Rina Sehgal from Chantley Pret. I welcome everyone to my page Chantley Pret. हम ये वीडियो डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं जस्ट फॉर योर पीपल कन्वीनियंस के जो लोग हमारे लाइव सेशंस को नहीं देख पाते हैं और मिस कर जाते हैं, तो उनके लिए और जिनको हमारी फेस्टिव कलेक्शन चाहिए, दोज पीपल हु आस्किंग फॉर द फेस्टिव कलेक्शन, हम उनके लिए ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं। हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल है Chantley Pret और हम एवरी सैटरडे एट 9 PM हम अपनी वीडियोस को हम अपलोड करेंगे। और ये वीडियोस का लिंक आप हमारे पेज इंस्टाग्राम के पेज Chantley Pret पे भी देख सकते हैं और फेसबुक पेज Chantley पे भी आप इसको वॉच कर सकते हैं। जो भी मैं कलेक्शन इस वीडियो में दिखा रही हूँ सारी फेस्टिव है, जिनके घर में शादियाँ हैं, जिसके घर में फंक्शंस आने वाले हैं और जिनको फॉर्मल ड्रेसेस चाहिए, so they can see this video for their reference. So the prices of this video will be in Indian rupees. So we ship worldwide. और हम mode of payment is online transaction. We accept through Western Union also. So कोई भी queries होंगी आपको 9779138283 में आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेके आपके जो भी आपको पीस पसंद होगा उसका आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है और हमें मैसेज करना है ऑन व्हाट्सएप 9779138283 में। So I'll start showing my collection. The piece number 1. See, this is a full dress. This is a full dress, one piece dress. This is the length of the dress. The color is nice pastel green color. It has long sleeves, net sleeves और waist पे ये belt है and it has padded stitch upper चोली और साथ नीचे गाउन है, long sleeves हैं. This is the look of the dress. इसको starting में you can see the embroidery. This is a hand embroidery and this is all sequence work. This is the look of the dress. And the dimensions of this dress is, this is piece number 1. The chest size is 38 inches and the waist is 32 inches and the length of the dress is 65 inches. And the tira is 14.5 inches. So this is piece number 1. The price of this piece is 5200. They are Indian prices. So the price of this piece is 5200. This is the look of the piece. Belt इसमें extra है. इसे waist belt और वो जो belt है वो भी पूरी embroidered है. This is the belt और this is the look of the piece. और इसके ends पे अगेन फ्रिल्स दी हुई है और कैनकन हुक्स के साथ इसको पूरा you can see the cancan is also there, so this gives a very formal look. This is a one piece dress. The next piece is piece number 2. This is the look of the piece. Again it's a one piece dress. This is all floral print skirt and upper is padded choli, one piece. Self में इसका print है, tassels are given. You can see hanging tassels. This is the look of the piece. This is the look of the piece and the size of piece number 2 is, chest size is 38 inches. Waist size is 30.5 inches and the length of the dress is 60 inches. The price of this piece is 3800. The price of this piece is only 3800. This is the look of the piece. Very bright piece, very nice piece. This is the floral skirt. It's a one piece. The price is 3800. The next piece is the lehenga choli. Fabric is georgette और उसके ऊपर ये सारा मुकेश का काम है. See, this is all मुकेश का work. with the net dupatta. This is padded choli. This is lega skirt. This is piece number 3. This is the look of the piece. Very nice color. Dupatta is fully finished with tapings. The dimensions of this piece is chest size is 38 inches, waist size is 30 inches, and this is the dimension of the choli, and the skirt length is 44 inches, and the lower waist of the skirt is 34.5 inches. This is the skirt. This is the skirt, and this is the choli. और उसके ऊपर सारे ये टसल्स वगैरह भी दिए हैं. The price of this piece number is piece number 3 is the price of this piece number 3 is 5,000. The price is 5,000. So this is the look of the piece. और इसका जो ब्लाउज है वो सारा सीक्वेंस वर्क में है. जो स्कर्ट है वो सारी मुकैश की है और ब्लाउज में सारा सीक्वेंस वर्क है. I'll bring near to the camera. You can so check the work. The next piece. Again, pastel color, perfect outfit for the wedding festive. Pink color, baby pink color. This is the look of the dress. इसके ऊपर सारा स्टोन का काम है. नीचे कैन लेस लगी, कैन लाइनिंग लगी हुई है और सेटिन की लाइनिंग लगी हुई है. With the net sleeves, with dupatta, fully finished dupatta. It's a one piece. This is the look of the dress. All in stone work. This is the look of the ghera. This is piece number 4. The dimensions of this piece is chest size is 40.5 inches, waist is 36 inches, and the length of this piece is 60 inches. The whole length of this piece is 60 inches. This is the look of the piece. Color is nice powder pink color. This is the look of the piece with net dupatta. The price of this piece is 8,500. The price of this piece is 8,500. It's a very smart piece. बहुत सुंदर piece है ये. The next piece, ये भी बहुत अच्छा piece है. One piece है. It's a one piece skirt and top and skirt. This is with the padded blouse. Print. और प्रिंट के जो चोली है उसको तिल्ले के काम से हाईलाइट किया हुआ है. This is piece number 5 and the chest size is 36 inches, waist size is 30 inches, and the length of this piece is 55 inches, and the price of this piece is 4,000. It's in Indian rupees. So this is the look of the dress. I repeat the dimensions. Chest size is 36 inches, waist is 30 inches, and the length is 55 inches. This is the look of the piece. This is piece number 5. The price is 4,000. The next piece. The next piece is piece number 6. Again a very nice piece. One piece, full anarkali style. This is the look of the piece. Beautiful piece. Color is nice, grayish blue. This is the look of the piece. इसके ऊपर सारा सीक्वेंस का काम है, नलकी का काम है सारा. नेट फैब्रिक के ऊपर नीचे कैन सेटिन लाइनिंग सब दी हुई है. इट्स अ वन पीस एंड विद द फिनिश्ड दुपट्टा. बहुत सुंदर पीस है ये. दिस पीस नंबर 6. द डायमेंशंस ऑफ दिस पीस इज chest size is 42 inches, waist is 40 inches, and the length of this piece is 60 inches. The whole length of this piece is 60 inches and the waist size is 40 inches and the chest size is 42 inches. So this is the look of the piece, and the price of this piece number 6 is 9600. The price of this piece is 9600. This is the look of the piece. It's a very pretty piece, not to be missed at this price. The next piece, piece number 7, again one piece, अनारकली स्टाइल. फैब्रिक इज वेरी फाइन. चिकनकारी लखनवी स्टाइल में फैब्रिक है इसका. उसके ऊपर सारा तिल्ले का काम है और इसके नीचे सारा थ्रेड वर्क और स्टोन वर्क में ये जो आप देख रही हैं ये सारा थ्रेड वर्क और स्टोन वर्क में पैटर्न दिया हुआ है, एम्ब्रॉयडरी पैटर्न. दिस इज ऑल मशीन एम्ब्रॉयडरी. नीचे कैनकन दी हुई है, लाइनिंग दी हुई है, कैनकन दी हुई है विद अ फिनिश्ड दुपट्टा. टेसल्स हैं दुपट्टे के साथ. वेरी नाइस कलर. इट्स अ नाइस क्रीम कलर वन पीस ड्रेस. This is dress number 7. The measurements of this piece is chest size is 40 inches, waist size is 34.5 inches, and the length of this piece is 62 inches. So this is the look of the piece, and the price is very nice, very good priced, 6800. This is the look of the piece. See, with a deep back and tassels, only for 6800. The next piece, piece number 8. Again, it's a two-piece dress, choli and skirt. Fabric is silk, print, floral print. This is the back with a deep back of the choli. Piece number 8. The chest size of this piece is 36.5 inches and the waist size of the choli is 13.5 inches. And the skirt length is 42 inches and the lower waist of the skirt is 32 inches. And the price of this piece is 4100. Fabric is pure fabric में है. This is the look of the skirt and this is the look of the blouse with a deep neck. This is the piece number 8. The price is 4100. Color is nice. Fawn color के ऊपर सारा floral effect है. Bright fawn. The next piece. It's a two-piece. This is the long shirt with the cuts. These are the sleeves, flare sleeves. Color is nice, aqua blue, sky blue, and it is a two-piece dress with a sharara. This is the palazzo. This is the shirt. Fabric is georgette. This is the look of the piece. और इसके ऊपर सारा sequence का colored sequence का काम है. This is the cut they have given. This is the upper cut of the waist. So, can you just hold for me? This is the shirt. The dimensions of this piece is chest size is 38 inches, waist size is 34 inches, and the length of this piece is 52 inches. And the palazzo is 34 inches long. And the waist size of the palazzo is 42 inches. So this is the palazzo. In contrast, lemon color का palazzo है, combination of lemon and blue. The price of piece number 9 is 8500. The price is 8500. This is the work. The next piece, again in a Lucknowi style, nice grey color. Piece number 10. This is the long skirt with anarkali skirt. This is the anarkali dress. This is the Lucknowi work, the sequence work with the net sleeves, embroidered sleeves, with the net dupatta with tassels. And the measurements of this piece is upper chest is 40 inches, waist is 34 inches, and the length of this whole piece is 60 inches. So it has also cancan. It has with a satin lining and cancan. This is the look of the piece. Again, a very nice piece at the price 12,500. At the price 12,500. This is the look of the piece. The next piece. Okay. So we are. I've shown you 10 pieces. So I hope you like my collection. And if you have any queries, please let us know on 9779138083. You just have to click the screenshot and message us on this number. And we accept the payment through Paytm, through Google Pay, or online transaction. अगर जो बाहर के clients हैं हमारे जो out of India clients हैं, they can send the money through Western Union also. So if you have any queries, please do let us know. Thank you. And for the viewers, I just wanted to tell you that every Monday, Wednesday and Friday on our page Shantley on Facebook and Shantley Pret on Instagram, we do live sessions also. So you can join us on those sessions also. Thank you so much for giving your time and liking my collection. If you have any queries, please do let us know. Thank you.